Welcome friends to Phone Tech. Today we will discuss about the Asus new smartphone Asus ZenFone Live L2. Let's see the specification. Asus ZenFone Live L2 comes with a 5.5-inch HD plus IPS display, and you will get a face unlock in the smartphone as well. Let's talk about the rear camera. It comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera, and this smartphone has a dual SIM option. Asus ZenFone Live L2 has a 5 megapixel front camera with LED flash. This smartphone comes with the Android 8.1 Oreo with Zen UI 5.0 OS. And you will get a 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. And talk about the chipset, it comes with a different chipset, Snapdragon 425 and Snapdragon 430. And talk about the GPU, it's also comes with a two different GPU, Adreno 505 and Adreno 308 GPU. This smartphone comes with a two different versions in which you will get a two option in storage, 16GB and 32GB, and only one option in RAM, 2GB. And it has a 3000 mAh non-full battery. If we talk about the price, we don't know yet. And thank you guys for watching this video, and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.